Good morning, dear learners. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to École Burkina. I am Mr. Ganame Inusa, an English teacher from TleD. Then I'm so glad to meet you again for another sessions. It will be a reading comprehensions lessons on pollutions. Okay. First, I'm going to read the text on pollutions, and the second part will be the answering of the questions. And these questions, it's also divided into 3 parts. The big one, comprehensions, big 2, language practice, and the final part is the writing. Okay, so let's read the text. Pollutions. Pollution is the degradation of natural environments by external substances introduced directly or indirectly. Human health, ecosystem quality, aquatic and terrestrial biodiversity may be affected and altered permanently by pollutions. Pollutions occurs when ecosystem cannot get rid of substances introduced into the environment. The critical threshold of its ability to naturally eliminate substances is compressed, and the balance of the ecosystems is broken. The sources of pollutions are numerous. The identification of these different pollutants and the effects on ecosystems is complex. They can come from natural disasters or the result of human activity, such as oil spills, chemical spills, nuclear accidents, etc. These can have terrible consequences on people and the planet where they live. Destructions of the biodiversity, increased mortality of the human and animal species, destructions of natural habitat, damage caused to the quality of soils, water, and air. Preventing pollutions and protecting the environment necessitates the applications of the principle of sustainable development. We have to consider satisfying the needs of today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. This means that we should remedy existing pollutions, but also anticipate and prevent future pollution sources in order to protect the environment and public health. Any environmental damage must be punishable by the law, and polluters should pay compensations for the damage caused to the environment. Adapted from Faire le Point by Annie Suzelle. Bigger 1, comprehensions. A, vocabulary. Read the text and find nouns which derive from each of the following verbs. Number 1, to pollute. Number 2, to degrade. Number 3, to identify. Number 4, to destroy. And big B, say whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, pollution affects negatively the environment. Number 2, the ecosystems can always cope with pollutants. Number 3, pollution is always caused by humans. Number 4, future generations do not need to live in a healthy environment. Number 5, polluters must be compelled to pay heavy fees. Big C, open-ended questions. Answer the following question according to text. Number 1. What does pollution refer to in this text? Number 2. What are the main factors which bring about pollution? Number 3. Is eradicating existing pollutions an ideal solution? Why? Number 4. What effects does pollution have on the ecosystems? These are the questions related to the big one comprehensions. Now we are going to try and give answer to these questions. Reading comprehensions, pollutions. Okay, big one, comprehensions. Big A, vocabulary. Okay. Read the text and find nouns which derive from each of the following verbs. Nouns from the verbs. Let's give nouns from the verbs. The first verb is to pollute. What is the nouns which derive from pollute? Then we have pollution. Has the first word is pollution is the degradation of natural environments by external substances introduced directly, and indirectly. Then the first word we have pollution. Then it is a noun which derives from the verbs pollute. Okay, pollutions. This is the correct word. And number 2. Number 2, we have to degrade. Yes. Then here we have degradations. And here it's also in the first line of the text. Pollution is the degradation, okay, meaning that the word is degradation. Okay. Degradation is the nouns which derive from degrade. And number 3, we have to identify. Identify here. Then we have identification. Then in the paragraph number 3, line 9, it said that the sources of pollution are numerous. The identifications of these different pollutions and the effects on ecosystem is complex. Then the identification is the nouns which derive from the verb to identify. Identification. Okay, then here is the appropriate nouns from the verb to identify. Number 4, we have to destroy. Okay, to destroy nouns which derive from to destroy. We have destructions. Destructions in the paragraph